remarkable. All that time spent in fear. For what? He's magnificent. Oh, dear. I just realized I haven't offered you a beverage.
It's just like my grandma with her parrot. And after she lost her marbles with her remote control.
My phone's on the desk over there. Take a picture of us together. Make it good enough to go on a mug, a mouse pad, and a calendar. If you were a dove, I'd call you lovey-dovey. Oh, who am I kidding? This isn't a moment for strict adherence to the literal. You're just my little lovey-dovey, aren't you?
Guess you gotta have hollow bones to get some sugar around here.
Still think he looks like someone's pet. Maybe we should put up posters.
Yes, it should have a big picture of him and the words, "Is this your bird? Not anymore." We're gonna have so much fun together. You can carry messages to all my enemies. I can tie a string to your leg and fly you like a kite.
If you're keeping him, I've got a cage you can borrow. One of the test monkeys slipped on a banana peel and broke his neck. It was both tragic and hysterical.
Nonsense. No, Lovey-Dovey doesn't sleep in a cage. No, Lovey-Dovey sleeps in his very own nest, which I'm going to get off the windowsill and put in my room. Isn't that right, LD? Where are you going? Come back, Lovey-Dovey. This is your home now. I already ordered 20 pounds of bird feed off of Amazon. He's gone.
I'm sorry, Sheldon.
How could he do this to me? Get back here, you stupid bird, so I can love